In this video, we are going to compare two popular website builders, WordPress and Framer. We will look at what they are, their best features, how much they cost, and who they are for. This will help you choose the right one for your next project. So, let's go ahead and start with WordPress. WordPress is the most popular website builder in the world. A very large number of websites on the internet are made with WordPress. It started as a tool for blogging but has grown much bigger. Now, you can create any kind of website with it. You can make a simple blog, a business website, or even an online store. WordPress is a self-hosted platform. This means you need to buy a domain name and web hosting to use it. Think of the domain name as your website's address and hosting as the land where your website lives. Because you host it yourself, you have full control over your website. This is a big reason why so many people use it. Are you wondering if having full control is a good thing? It is, but it also means you are responsible for keeping your website safe and updated. Now, let's look at the top features of WordPress. First is its amazing flexibility. You can build almost any type of website you can imagine. Do you want a photo gallery, a forum, or a membership site? WordPress can do it all. This is possible because of things called themes and plugins. Themes change how your website looks. There are thousands of free and paid themes to choose from. Plugins add new features to your website. Want to add a contact form or improve your website's SEO? There is a plugin for that. With over 59,000 free plugins, the possibilities are almost endless. This means you can start small and add more features as your website grows. Next up is the Content Management System, or CMS. WordPress is famous for being great for blogging. It has a simple editor that feels like writing in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You can easily create new posts and pages. You can add text, images, and videos. You can also organize your content with categories and tags. This makes it easy for your visitors to find what they are looking for. Even if you are not a blogger, a good CMS is important. It helps you manage all the content on your website easily. So, if you plan to have a lot of content, this is a huge plus. Another great feature is the huge community and support. Because so many people use WordPress, there is a lot of help available. You can find thousands of tutorials, articles, and videos online. There are also many forums where you can ask questions. If you have a problem, someone has probably had the same problem before. This means you can usually find a solution quickly. This big community also means there are many developers creating new themes and plugins. This keeps WordPress fresh and full of new possibilities. It's like having a big team of helpers that you can call on anytime. Finally, WordPress is search engine friendly. This means it is built in a way that search engines like Google can easily understand. This can help your website rank higher in search results. And a higher rank means more visitors to your website. You can also use SEO plugins to get even better results. These plugins can help you with things like choosing the right keywords. They can also check your content to make sure it is SEO friendly. This is a very important feature if you want your website to be found online. A beautiful website is great, but it's even better when people can find it. Now let's talk about money. The WordPress software itself is free, but you will have to pay for a domain name and web hosting. A domain name usually costs around $10 to $20 per year. Web hosting can cost from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars per month. It depends on the size and needs of your website. For a small website, you can find hosting for about $5 to $25 a month. You might also want to buy a premium theme or plugins. Premium themes can cost between $30 and $100 one time. Premium plugins can have one-time fee or a yearly subscription. So the total cost of a WordPress website can change a lot. It depends on the choice you make. So who should use WordPress? WordPress is great for a lot of people. If you're a blogger, it is one of the best choices. It is also perfect for small businesses, artists, and anyone who wants a flexible website. If you want to have full control over your website, WordPress is for you. It is also a good choice if you are on a budget. You can start with a very low cost and add more as your website grows. However, it is not for people who don't want to handle any technical stuff. With WordPress, you are responsible for updates and security. But don't worry, there are many tools to make this easy. Framer is a newer website builder that is getting a lot of attention. It is known for being very easy to use, especially for designers. Think of it like a design tool and a website builder in one. You can design your website exactly how you want it to look. It has a drag and drop interface, which means you can move things around on a page easily. Framer is great for creating very modern and interactive websites. You can add cool animations and effects without writing any code. It is a great choice for portfolios, landing pages, and websites for creative businesses. Unlike other platforms, Framer is an all-in-one platform. This means hosting is included, so you don't have to worry about that. It is designed to be very fast and easy to get started. If you want a beautiful website without a lot of technical work, Framer is worth looking at. Framer's biggest strength is its visual editor. If you have used design tools like Figma or Sketch, you will feel right at home. You can design your website with complete freedom. Just drag elements like text, images, and buttons into the page. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. This makes the design process very fast and fun. You don't need to guess how things will look after you publish. It also makes it easy to create responsive designs. This means your website will look great on phones and tablets too. Framer has smart tools that help you with this. You can focus on being creative and not on writing code. This makes it perfect for people who care a lot about design. Framer makes it incredibly easy to add animations to your website. You can make elements fade in, slide in, or move as you scroll. These effects can make your website feel much more modern and engaging. You can add these animations with just a few clicks. There is no need to learn complicated coding. You can also create interactions. For example, you can make a button change color when you hover over it. This helps guide your visitors and make your site more fun to use. These features are built right into Framer, so they work smoothly. You don't need to install extra plugins like you do with other platforms. If you want a website that really stands out with cool effects, Framer is amazing. It helps you create a very polished and professional look. Framer is an all-in-one solution for building a website. This means everything you need is included in one package. You don't have to find and pay for your own web hosting. Framer takes care of that for you. This makes getting your website online much simpler. It also means your website will be fast and secure. Framer optimizes everything to work well together. You also get a built-in content management system. This lets you easily manage content like blog posts or portfolio projects. For people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites, this is a huge plus. You can focus on creating your website and Framer handles the rest. Framer is built for teams to work together. Multiple people can work on the same website project at the same time. This is great for design agencies or businesses with a marketing team. You can leave comments directly on the design. This makes it easy to give feedback and make changes. Everyone can see the latest version of the website in real time. There is no need to send files back and forth. This speeds up the design process a lot. It helps to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are working with others on a website, Framer's collaboration features are a big advantage. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Framer has a few different pricing plans. There is a free plan that lets you try it out. You can build a website with it, but it will have Framer branding. The paid plans start at around $5 per month for a simple landing page. The most popular plans for personal or business websites are around $15 to $30 per month. These plans let you use your own custom domain name. They also give you more features and bandwidth, which is how much traffic your site can handle. For bigger teams and businesses, there are more expensive plans with more features. The price includes hosting, so you don't have that extra cost. Overall, Framer's pricing is clear and includes everything you need to get started. So, who is Framer for? Framer is perfect for designers and creative people. If you want a visually stunning portfolio, Framer is an excellent choice. It's also great for creating beautiful landing pages for new products. Small businesses that want a modern and stylish website will love it too. If you value design and ease of use over having thousands of features, Framer is for you. It's for people who want to build a beautiful website quickly without writing code. If you have used design software before, you will find Framer very easy to learn. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create impressive websites with cool animations. So, which one is right for you? If you want total control, endless customization, and a powerful content management system, go with WordPress. If you want a super easy to use builder with amazing design capabilities and cool animations, Framer is your winner. Think about your needs and your comfort with technology to make the best choice. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between WordPress and Framer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.